Y'all see this glow? Y'all see this glow? Be honest today. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nazareth, and as you guys can see by the title, I am going to be trying out Miss Fenty's, Miss Robin's, Miss Fenty skin line. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. So don't mind my hair, it's up. It's not the main focus today. The main focus is this skincare line, which we all have been waiting for. I was on the early release email stuff, and I went through it to buy these products, but I finally got them, and I finally got them in the mail. So I'm excited for this first impression. So just a disclaimer, I have dry skin, and I'm actually going to do the nighttime first impression right now first. And then in the morning, I'm going to show you guys, you know, how my skin reacted to the products overnight. So first we have the Total Cleanser, which is a cleanser for the face. And yeah, so it promises to hyper clean soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. And then the second product is Fat Water. Ooh, that name. But yeah, it's Fat Water, and this is a pore refining toner serum, and it's basically a serum and a toner all in one, and it is such a pretty product. And this is also, let me take off the top for you guys, this is also like a twist cap as well. And then we have the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor, which comes in this little package right here, and it says light as air, hydration, invisible sun protection, defends and brightens skin while reducing the look of pores, and it's oil free, which is very good. So it's made with care for coral reef, does not contain oxybenzone or oxynoxate. If you can't pronounce it and it doesn't contain it, then that's a good thing. So that's all that matters there. So as you open it, you guys have seen that it's recyclable, so you can have it refilled, which is good for the environment. Basically what you do is, this is the container, and you just pop this sucker in like so, and then it goes up and down. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. So this is the sunscreen and moisturizer all in one, baby, all in one. So as you guys can see, these products are basically 2-in-1, which just reduces the amount of products that you use, which in turn saves the environment, because you don't have all these products, all these bottles, all these plastics just going to waste. So like I said, it is the nighttime, so I do have other products on my face. I don't have makeup on, but I have my sunscreen, I have my moisturizer, I have, what else do I have? Oils, I have sweats, I have dirt, I was outside, I have mask residue, I have stuff on my face. So we're gonna see and put to the test if this cleanser is good for the face, and if it does what it promises that it does. This is what it looks like, all lathered up. I'm gonna put more water. And now, I think I put too much. So a little bit goes a long way. I think I got way too product happy. It feels thick, so it feels like it's doing its job, taking away all that dirt. The smell isn't overpowering, but it's there. right after washing, and it feels clean. I don't feel any weird reactions yet. I don't feel any weird like reaction to the fragrance. I have kind of sensitive skin. My skin doesn't like new products a lot, so we'll just see as we keep using these products how it reacts to them. But right now my face feels clean, it feels fresh. The smell wasn't overpowering. I was seeing like a lot of people have issues with the smell, so just the FYI, the smell is not overpowering. It just smells good. Now we are going to try the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. So let's read the directions. The directions say use day and night on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers. For external use only. Use as directed. And it promises to instantly refine the looks of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens skin tone, and fights shine without stripping. The smell is not strong. It feels like a serum. Yeah, it's not a strong smell either. Pretty bearable, so let's see how it does on my skin. Like this. The whole thing with this and how they promoted it is that you don't need a cotton pad, which I needed for the toner that I use, which is the Ordinary's 7% glycolic acid one. That's definitely like water, so I do need something to put it on. Ooh. This one makes my skin feel super soft. One, because it has acid, of course, it makes my skin tingle a little bit. It makes it a little spicy. But this one, there's no tingle. As you guys can see, I put on a reasonable amount on. Theme of this video is less is more. A little bit goes a long way with these products. Consistency is pretty creamy, you know. I can say that the fragrance on the moisturizer is a lot more potent. I don't know if that's the right word. How it looks. It's like a really pretty color. It's like really pink lavenderish, but yeah, the smell is a lot stronger than the other products on the moisturizer, so I'm just beware of that. But it's not. You can tell that it has a little bit of a cast, like right as you put it on, but then you keep massaging it and it goes away. But as you guys can see, my face is moisturized. So for all my dry skinned human beings out there, and you are looking for something that will moisturize, emphasis on the Z, your face, this might be it. This might be a line for you. My face looks dewy, but it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like I'm going to break out. It looks healthy. That's what it looks like. It looks healthy. Yeah, I don't know, my face doesn't feel clogged or heavy or greasy. Like, it just feels moisturized. And obviously these lights are like making me look dewy as hell, but yeah, my face looks good. Okay guys, so it is the morning time and this is how my skin is looking. The things that I look for whenever a product gives me like bad reactions is like little textured bumps, especially around my forehead or like just around this area. And as you guys can see, I have a few right here, but nothing too like crazy. My forehead's a bit sensitive and I just, you know, even when I got my eyebrows done, I got them done and I have like a few bumps around here as well. So yeah, I have to look out for that and see if it gets worse or better as I keep using these products. So yeah, you guys, that is my full-on testing, try it out, first impressions of the Fenty skin line. If I had to pick a favorite product, I feel like it would be the cleanser. I love cleansers. I love feeling like my skin is very clean, and I don't like cleansers that strip my skin, and this one definitely did not strip my skin. A little bit goes a long way for all of these products, as you guys saw in my nighttime routine. I could have definitely used a lot less than what I did. I got a little bit happy, but anyways, a little bit goes a long way. There is a scent. So with the moisturizer, there is a scent that it's very potent. It's stronger than the other products, so I want you guys to keep that in mind. Even though I believe there's only 1% of fragrance in these products, it's still good. If I had to say anything bad about the products, it would be the scent, because I know that a lot of people are sensitive to scents and fragrance and products. Me being one of those people, not too much. Like, my skin doesn't react crazy if I put something with scent, but I know that my skin is not a fan of products that have scent. So I'm going to see how my skin progresses throughout this week of using these products, or these few weeks, or this month of using this product, and then I'll update you guys either on Instagram or on here. I'll make another video if you guys would like, just updating you guys and seeing how my skin reacts. So this is my skincare routine for a month now. I just really want to see if my skin likes it. Yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Always remember to love yourselves, and I will see you guys on my next one.